Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. Just wanted to take this opportunity to give an update on how things are looking as a department. First and foremost, I'm pleased with the job that everyone's done in reacting to this new and unfortunate crisis that we find ourselves in. But as always, the department and all the employees of this department have reacted extremely well. We've adapted. We've got many employees working from home. They're still maintaining essential operations, but they're doing so in a way that minimizes the transmission of this terrible virus. We anticipate continuing to keep our operations as they have been. We're coming up on May 1, which would be the expiration of the county's public health order. I anticipate, and I believe everyone anticipates, that order will be extended. The stay-at-home order will be extended beyond May 1. How long, we don't know. But as a department, I just want to let you all know that for the time being, we plan to continue to stay in this pattern of operations that we've been in for the last several weeks, and we'll let you know if that changes. Now, at the same time, we are preparing for the possibility of an incremental step back towards normalcy. That could occur sometime later in May. We don't know for sure. It may not occur anytime at all, but we nonetheless want to start planning for that possibility. So I've asked the team to start thinking about what would that look back. Not all the way back to as we were. In fact, we may never go back to the way we were. We're probably going to have increased telecommuting. We're going to find creative ways to maintain social distancing throughout this department. But we will look at ways that we can take at least one step back, probably in our field operations, resuming some level of increased field operations. Again, not all the way back, but a step back towards where we were. So we'll start thinking about that. We're going to be in contact with all the employees, all our lines of employees, so you'll know it's coming well in advance. But we're thinking about that as a possibility for mid or late May, if things go well and continue to flatten the curve and stay safe and do all the things that people are doing. So I want to let you know that that's something that we're thinking about. Right now, we still don't have the protective equipment that we want. We have several orders, and we hope that we'll soon be in a position where we can be distributing cloth masks to our employees. We think that could be very soon. We also have other forms of N95 masks and other forms of equipment coming in. We hope to get that shortly. That will also influence our decisions, because right now, without all the equipment that we need, we certainly aren't going to put officers unnecessarily into danger. Once we get that equipment in, we'll readjust, take a look at what the county health order says, and if there's a possibility of, like I said, taking a step back towards some resumption of field operations sometime in May, we'll take a look at that. No decisions have been made though yet, and we'll have to see how things are going. Beyond that, I do want to take this opportunity also to give a big thank you to all the employees at YDF, folks coming to work every day, maintaining that essential 24/7 operation in YDF, knowing that there's always a risk when you bring yourself to work and you put yourself in contact with other people, no matter what you do, maintaining all the social distancing and taking care of ourselves and doing all those things you need to do. There's some risk associated with that, obviously. And our employees are doing a great job in YDF, coming to work, being professional, showing up every day, and I just want to say thank you to all of them. We're really proud of the job that you're doing and taking care of the residents and each other and all the operations that are going on every day inside there. Beyond that, there's some uncertainty that we're facing as a department with budget. We don't know yet what that means, but certainly we're bracing for the possibility of what this downturn in the economy that we all see right in front of our eyes as restaurants and other forms of revenue are drying up. That's going to have an impact on our county budget. We know that. We've already begun preparing for the possibility of reductions. As always, our goal is to, if we're in a position where we have to make reductions, to do it in a way that minimizes any impact on our existing workforce, and that's always my first and foremost goal. We hope to be able to achieve that goal, but I have to say we don't know. The future does have some unknowns, and we'll have to see what comes our way. And as always, we'll stay in constant communication with employees. We'll let you know. We'll advocate and fight for the great work that probation officers do each and every day. But in the meantime, we're all doing well. You're out in the community. You're at YDF. We have some operations that are still ongoing. I get an opportunity to see some staff who are still showing up here at the office and maintaining a reduced presence here in the office. And as always, proud of the work that all of you are doing each and every day. I want to thank you for that and just tell you to stay the course, keep doing all the things that we're doing that are working here in California. We're seeing reductions in transmission and in deaths statewide. We want to keep those numbers all trending in the right direction and push those numbers down. We'll get through this together and look forward to all coming together as a family and as a team and being healthy and whole and getting back to some level of normalcy, we hope, in the not too distant future. So with that, stay safe and take care of each other. Thank you.